What's up, YouTube? Are you tired of all the fonts on your computer? Maybe you just don't have the right look that you're looking for? Well, the first thing you want to do is go to dafont, DAFONT.com. Here you can find any font that you want. I'm going to choose Cowboys. Once it's downloaded, you're going to open the zip file and look for the OTF file. Install. Now that that's done, you can close it out. You can go into Word. There's Cowboys. You can go into Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. Select your text tool. Hope you enjoyed the quick video.